Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a contact record in HubSpot CRM using the full 2026 layout. Creating contacts is one of the most important daily actions inside HubSpot because everything, sales, marketing, automation, and reporting starts from contact records. So first, open your browser, go to HubSpot.com, click Login, and sign into your HubSpot account. Once your dashboard loads, we're ready to create your contact. From the top navigation bar, click CRM and then choose Contacts. This opens your main contacts database where all existing contact records are stored. In the top right corner, click the Create Contact button. This opens the contact creation panel where you'll enter your contact's details. Start with the most important required field, which is the email address. Then enter the first name and last name of the person. If you have it, you can also add their phone number right away. These basic fields help HubSpot identify and communicate with the contact. Next, scroll down and enter company-related details like company name, job title, and website. These fields are helpful for organizing contacts by business, role, and industry. After that, choose the contact owner, which is usually the sales rep or team member responsible for following up with this person. Also, update the lifecycle stage to match where they are in your process, such as lead, marketing qualified lead, sales qualified lead, or customer. Once your information is complete, click the Create Contact button at the bottom. HubSpot instantly saves the record and opens the full contact profile. From here, you can see the activity timeline, which tracks emails, calls, meetings, notes, and form submissions for that contact. You can now log notes from conversations, create follow-up tasks, send one-to-one emails, schedule meetings, and attach this contact to deals and workflows. Everything related to this person will live on this single profile screen. And that's it. That's how to create a contact record in HubSpot CRM using the 2026 setup. It only takes a minute, but it's the foundation for running your entire customer system inside HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in